Hi guys, my name is Bliss Billion Dollar and compliments of the season to you. Happy 2021. I hope everything is going on fine. On my side, everything is fantastic. So it's been a little while since I interacted with you guys out there, especially my YouTube subscribers and all that. So anyway, that has been because of some commitments here and there. Obviously, trading wise and stuff, I had to take some time off to just work on myself, improve myself in terms of trading and all that. You see, I'm not just somebody that is dormant. Just because I'm here today doesn't mean I can't improve. So I'm the guy that is always improving. Sometimes I'll go just, I'll just disappear, take some time off and just learn, new concepts. However, I'm very much excited today because I'm gonna be talking about a very interesting topic. I'm sure most of you have seen me, raise small accounts to bigger accounts, and like a lot of people have been asking me, how do you do this? How do you do that? And all that. And really, like, I can't manage responding to everyone because I receive numerous texts. So I just thought I should just share this information with everyone that is around, right? So before anything, if you are a new subscriber to this channel, welcome to the Billionaires family. If you are not yet subscribed, just ensure you subscribe and also share to your friends so that they also get this information. So before we go any further, I'm gonna be talking about the secrets that I use to raise small accounts to bigger, accounts in less than just a few hours or in a day, without making losses. Or if you have to make a loss, it has to be very minimal. So I'm just gonna be showing you the tips and tricks that I use to do all that. It is very simple and easy to follow through. So we're gonna have this video in 3 segments. So first I'm gonna talk about the main, I think a few secrets that I use. Then we shall see, because I'm going to deposit $100 and I'll be able to raise to an amount that I won't mention. You're going to see for yourself in just a few hours without making any loss. Hopefully I won't make any loss, guys. Yeah. So then the last part will be the other tips that I was using to take trades and all that. So ensure you watch till the very end. So before we go any further, the first thing that I have to do is, or rather that I always do is, I just open the chart. Let's say this is my MT5, and I just make an analysis on all the pairs. I trade 4 pairs. That's boom and crash, crash 500, crash 1000, boom 500, boom 1000. And as you can see, this is crash 500. I already made an analysis and it's been going accordance, to the analysis. Boom 500, I already made the analysis. And I'm waiting, I'm just gonna enter from there. I've already determined the stop loss, the TP and stuff. So crash 1000, I've already made an analysis and all that. Crash 500, oh, that is an analysis. And boom, 1000, just like that. If you don't believe it, I don't just talk from anyhow, from no standpoint of view. But this is one of my groups. I have about 4 groups, VIP groups. This one is for the system. Yeah, and I'm sure, I don't know, I sent the analysis. I sent the analysis before the market, actually, yeah, as you can see, this analysis. This is boom 1000, and I said it was gonna buy from there until TP2. So now let's just take a look before anything. This is boom 1000, and the price was there. It went the buy zone and went and hit TP1 and TP2 there. I've just deleted the charts and I made this new analysis. Another one, this was crash 1000. As you can see, check where the price was, and let's check where it is at a time. Crash 1000, and you see it was there where was it? It was here, and it hit TP1. It came back down, and I made this analysis also and projected that it was gonna reach TP2, and I sent the same signal to say it should hit TP1 again, and obviously TP2. Anyway, we have all those analysis, and okay, I do these things like almost every time, every day. These are the things that I do every time. So let's not waste time, talking about all that. I just wanted to show you. So the first tip that you have to understand, the first thing that you have to understand before anything, after just you deposit the money, is first sit down and analyze the charts. As a trader, you have to know what kind of what assets you trade. If you have observed, I'm the guy that trades only boom and crash. Boom and crash has been very profitable, and this has caught the attention of many traders. The bad part is that many traders don't know how to successfully trade boom and crash. If they have to trade, they'll make profits today, tomorrow they lose it all. But I'm the guy that has consistently mastered the art of trading boom and crash. So the first thing that you have to understand is understand the assets that you're going to trade. Ensure that you go for the assets that you really know how to analyze. I have students across the globe, and obviously most of them trade boom and crash just like I do, but others also trade other assets. The person that introduced me to trading used to trade currency pairs, but then I found boom and crash and discovered that that was something that I understood better, and I went for it. So this time around, I really know how to trade these pairs. So apart from understanding the assets that you're going to trade, the second thing that you have to do is also determine, you have to determine the probability of a setup. I mean. So let's say, let's look at crash 1000. Price was initially here, and I put the stop loss to be here, right? Let me just, I don't really love deleting the charts. Yeah, so price was somewhere here, and I put the stop loss there. As you can see, the risk that I was risking here was very small, but the reward was very big, more than 2 times the risk. You see, that is how you go, that is how you do it. So now, before that, you need to understand that there are 3 types of trades. There are trades that are of low probability, then there are trades of medium probability, and there are trades of high probability. So in terms of probabilities, you are able to filter out which trades you're going to take. So now in this case, we're focusing on just trading a small account, right? So obviously, you need also to understand what kind of trades you're going to take. That is tip number 3 now. You understand the kind of trades that you're going to take. Are you going to scalp or are you going to swing? Usually, I'm the guy that will scalp and exit the market. Guys, this is the secret that I'm going to tell you. You don't always have to be in the market and nuke every pip. You can't take every pip in the market. The market was there before you, and it's gonna be there after you. You see, so there is no rush. Give yourself time, give yourself room, and also take your time to just find that perfect setup. So when we look at that, we have the low probability setup, medium and high probability setups. So usually I'm the guy that will scalp, so I'll go for the high probability setups. So now what does that mean? After scanning through, remember the first thing that I told you was to scan the pairs that you trade. I scan all 4 pairs that I trade, right? And after scanning through, I'll look at which market is ready. And after that, I'll now have to compare the probabilities. If it means that I have to wait for a market that is like that is gonna take like maybe 1 day before it reaches my target zone, and it is of high probability, I would rather not trade and just wait for that perfect trade, right? Yeah. So once you determine the probability, and you just have to go for it. Now, in terms of risk, guys, You can't buy a Mercedes, you can't buy whatever, dream car, a good car as a trader that is gonna be able to define you. Obviously, I have a very beautiful car. If you haven't seen it, you can check it out in my free group. Yeah, so you won't be able to buy your ideal car if you're always gonna be using the the small lot sizes. But obviously, it also depends on the level of your understanding on trading. If you're still a newbie, stick to the small, lot sizes. We all begin from there. We all start from there. But at the end of the day, you have to understand that you will need to upgrade. There will be need for you to upgrade to use bigger lot sizes, right? Why do I say that? Let's say, for instance, if you take two trades. Here, you buy from here, right? Just like I analyze, I'm very good at analyzing, guys. You don't joke with me. You look at how clean the charts are looking. You analyze and you enter from there. You enter only one trade. And you also enter here. You enter from here. Also, let me see a trade that lost. Okay, let me just use one chart. You enter from here, one trade. And it goes your way until it hits TP2. If you use a small lot size, you find that in as much as you've held for 2 days, you've only made about $10 or $20. Where are you going to go with the $10 and the $10? Guys, how long? Calculate how long, how many days is it gonna take you before you even withdraw $100 and also buy that beautiful car, go for that beautiful vacation that you want, and do all those things, be financial free. Yes, guys, it is okay to be patient, but at some point you need to go out of your comfort zone and just hold the bull by its horns, and just go for it, just kill, just aim to kill. I'm an aggressive trader, guys, certified based Zambian trader, and the most consistent trader in Zambia. That we can't argue with that. Bring in trade, I'm gonna show them. Yeah, so I'm very aggressive when it comes to trading, because I understood to say there is no sweet without the risk. I take the highest kind of risk, guys. I'm the guy that will take the highest kind of risk. I risk everything in my account. And obviously in this video that I'm going to show you, I risked everything, guys, to trade. Why do I do that? It's because I understand the probability of trading. If I have a high probability setup, I would enter. Why can't I risk it all? Why can't I risk it all and gain more? If the risk to reward ratio, if the risk is 1 and I'm aiming for two or more, why can't I risk it all? And guys, you have to ensure that you go for sniper entries, guys. You go for sniper entries. I don't know what tip number that is, but then I hope you're taking note. And if at all I'm very fast and all that, ensure that you watch this video over and over again so that you understand how I approach trading. So you go for sniper entries. How do you determine the sniper entries? It's by analyzing in advance. I've already analyzed in advance, and I'm in as much as most traders sold here at this particular point, here, most traders sold. For me, I saw it as not a very good opportunity to sell, and I sold, and I said to myself, I'll only sell when price reaches there. The reason being, it will be a resistance point, and there's this high, and obviously it's gonna be a double top. So when I put the stop loss there, you see the reward, all this from here, the entry, sell entry, all the way to TP1. You see the risk, very low risk and high reward. These are the kind of trades that I go for, and these are the trades that I will wait for. These are always worth the wait. So guys, I think I've said a lot of things, and with those tips, I think we can go ahead and look at the video and see how I managed to deposit $100, and let's see where it will reach in just a few hours. So let's just get into it. I hope you enjoy my trading journey on this small account, and I'll see you on the other side. Hi guys, it's Bliss $1 Billion again. So I've just deposited $100 again, and I just wanna grow this account. So I feel boom 1000 is ready. So I'm just gonna enter some positions. It's not really a sniper entry, but I'm gonna take the risk, guys. I'll just make some entries using my PC. Yeah, I'm just gonna sell it. As you can see, so I have managed to enter 3 positions, and I'm gonna put the stop loss just right there. Okay, don't worry, I'm looking at my PC, and the TP just right there. Yeah, okay, yeah, so I've put the TP and the stop loss. Let's wait and see how everything's gonna go. $100, let's see how far we can take it. Yeah, I'm out. Okay guys, this is an update. I added another position because I noticed the free margin was still available, so I didn't do anything, just deposited the same amount. I just reduced the lot size so that the free margin at least becomes less, because I knew that was a good opportunity. So guys, the account has been doubled, and that is how you double your account and you exit the market, guys. Yeah, it is very easy, so you do this on a daily basis. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you the tips and tricks, obviously, on how to do this. Yeah, so if you have a big account, regardless of the account size, you just do this and you get the work done. Yeah, guys. So that is just it, guys. Okay, guys. We are still rolling. The account has been doubled. I don't know if we've made 2 times the initial amount, and from $100 we had 300. So with this 300, the next time I'll take a risk, like I'll risk it all, and I can even reach 1,000 by tomorrow. You see, if I just take it that I'm gonna trade like for 2 days, from $100 it can reach 1,000 or more in just 2 days. So it's very easy, guys. I don't know how you people fail to do this. Otherwise it's something that is very, very, very easy. That is how you trade, guys. I'm out. Okay guys, so we have gone, and I didn't close at 300. I forgot and it spiked, so I closed at 265. Remember, it's the same account. Yeah, and I closed with those small profits. So I'm still building it, and I'm just gonna close boom 500. These trades for boom 500, just gonna close them. Close. Yeah, so uh, yeah, this one also I re-entered. It went back to that level, so I re-entered, and I'm just waiting for it. I'll be taking profits very soon also. Yeah, let's just reach maybe 500, so that we close. So as you can see, it's very easy, guys. $100 deposit, and I'm still moving, guys. Let's just make the equity reach 500. Maybe we might quit a day. Yeah, again, that's a real account. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Okay guys, I'm back again. This is the update. So I'm just gonna close all the trades. I haven't made any loss, guys. So let me just close. Let me just close all the trades. Let me just close all the trades without a loss, without a single loss, guys. I'm closing all of them. All of them. All of them. And mind you, guys, it's just been a few hours. It's been a few hours, and it's not like I've been trading like constantly on the market and stuff. No, I haven't been taking. I have just only been taking perfect trades, perfect setups, guys. I have not been trading every time. So as you can see, no loss. Deposit $100, then profit 535. And have you seen? The lot size is very uniform. except for one trade that I took. I don't know. Yeah, this one here. This one here, because the EBIT was low. Yeah, but so far, guys, it's going on well. I'll just wait for another good setup so that I milk the market once again. Yeah, so guys, that was it. Blessed $1 billion. All right, guys. So we have seen how I managed to raise a $100 account to about 600 and something USD without a single loss in just a few hours. So now, as promised, I said I was gonna give you a few tips just after the video so that you understand how I was able to do that. So first of all, you have to also understand that after you enter a trade, it's no longer up to you. It's now about the market. Let the trades play out, because you have to determine your stop loss, your TP in advance before you enter trades. That is how you filter out even the high probability setups. So ensure that you don't attach your emotions to the trades. As you saw from the video, I wasn't constantly checking the trades. I was always, I would enter the market and just forget, put the stop loss and stuff and just forget and do other things. I'm the guy that has fun even, when I'm trading. I'm the guy that will have fun, and I'd go out, do other things. It's not just about trading. You have the life to live. Enjoy it, go enjoy it. And I was just checking the trades later on. So ensure that you detach your emotions, from the trades. Then you also have to not force the trades. If you have second thoughts about the trade, don't take it. That is how we do it, guys. That is how we do it. I hope you are taking note of these tips that I'm giving you. After that, or rather, the other thing that you have to do is, you aim for sniper entries. As you saw in the video, I was trying to aim for a sniper entry, but due to the fact that I am the guy that loves to check out other things and stuff, so I took a little bit of some time before I could enter. But regardless of all that, that was almost a sniper entry, and I was very much confident about the trade. And as you saw from the trade, just like I always say, I'm a risk taker. I risked everything, the whole account. I would rather risk everything on one trade than divide the trades on a number of trades. I would never do that. I would rather just risk everything on one good setup and have a huge return. That is how I trade, and that is how I've been able to be crowned as the best Zambian trader and most consistent trader. Apart from that, I've been able to get my another new car, which is very nice. Yeah, and I hope you're gonna take into account all these tips that I have given you. So now I'm glad that you have reached this far, and I have to tell you one thing. Since you are persistent and you wanna succeed in trading, if you want to learn more on how to trade, how to be an independent trader, because I also started from somewhere. I had somebody that was mentoring me and all that. If you want to be an independent trader like me, trade like me, get setups from me and all that, ensure that you subscribe to this channel, join the free Telegram group, which is this Billionaires Trading Academy. Yes, that is me in the new ride. I don't know if you saw it, but actually it's very nice, guys. Yeah, that is me, 22-year-old guy. And yeah, so you can join this group. You can just search for it, Billionaires Trading Academy, and it has a flag of Zambia. Obviously, I don't know if the subscribers are gonna be at this whatsoever this number, but obviously the group after you see it. So now, if you also want to get taught by me, I'm offering lessons. Obviously, it's not for free, because I have a lot of people that want to be taught, and they come at different times, and I love my time and I value my knowledge. So if you think this is the kind of knowledge that can help you, hit me up. We have lessons going on for beginners, complete beginners. If you're just learning about Forex trading, you just want to start learning from what is Forex. Then we also have classes for intermediates, like for 2021. The classes have to take about 6 weeks, at least 6 weeks. Yeah. And at the end of the day, we give you a certificate to say you are now certified to be called a trader. Right? And hopefully from there you pick it up and perfect all the skills that will give you. I can guarantee your trading is not gonna be the same. So guys, this is just part one of how to raise a small account to a big account, making more than double the amount in less than 24 hours. That is something that you rarely see, and I'm gonna make part 2. So if you want part 2, just ensure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you can share it with other friends of yours. So currently we are sitting at 2,000 something subscribers, and let me just check, let me just confirm, because I have something that I'll be giving away. I'll be giving out something that is very precious. So you better stick around as I do this. Let's just check on YouTube. Let's just check. YouTube is there. Okay, and we're going to search for Billionaires Trading Academy. Okay, we're currently sitting at 2.59k. So guys, let's take the subscribers list to 4k. If the list of subscribers reaches 4k, guys, I'm going to give you the ultimate strategy for catching spikes on boom and crash. Strategy of all times, guys. I've never given anybody this strategy, but if we can reach the moment we just reach 4k, guys, I'm gonna release it here for free, and ensure that you'll be the first to watch that strategy, because I'll be pulling it down after maybe 1 week or so. So just ensure that you are subscribed, and you share the video so that the target is hit. So yeah, so that was it, guys. We have quite a number of videos. You can check the videos that are there. This is the channel, and we have quite a number of videos. We have all those. We have videos that will teach you. Obviously, you've seen I'm the guy that is always raising small accounts and all that. So that was it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. The next video will be part 2, and I'll give you more tips, but I'll only be able to release the ultimate strategy for trading spikes as well as holding trades after the subscribers hit 4k. So that was it, guys, from the best trader in Zambia, the most consistent and most profitable trader in Zambia, and I'll see you next time. Bliss $1 billion.